Hello everyone. We are excited to introduce our upgraded phone case vending machine and its brand new UI. Select your phone model. You have the option to select images from the backend image library, or you can upload them by simply scanning a QR code, even without an internet connection available. Scanning a QR code allows you to upload images quickly and easily. Let's try uploading an image from the backend image library. Our new touchscreen allows you to easily zoom in, zoom out, and rotate images with great precision. Select stickers you like from the system, or create personalized graffiti designs yourself. You can hide or delete layers by using the options available on the right side of the screen. Once you've completed all your ideas, click Next to proceed with payment. If you have any issues, please click the Help button located at the bottom right corner for immediate assistance. Our team will respond quickly and resolve all your issues with prompt attention and care. Our production animation is also upgraded. You can now see a button in the center that lets you switch between different views. Click it. Customers can easily watch the entire phone case printing procedure and track the status of their order.